In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare the services of Turo and Zipcar to help you make the best decision for your car rental needs. First, we'll start by opening your Chrome browser and navigating to both Turo.com and Zipcar.com. Once you're on these websites, take a moment to explore their main features. On Turo's platform, you'll notice that it operates as a peer-to-peer car sharing service, where individuals list their personal vehicles for rent. This unique setup allows for a wide variety of car options, from high-end sports cars to budget-friendly everyday vehicles. On the other hand, Zipcar functions differently, utilizing a fleet ownership model where the cars are owned by the company and parked in various locations for ease of access. Next, let's delve into the membership requirements on each site. For Turo, creating an account is quite straightforward. You'll need to verify your identity and meet the age requirements, which can vary based on the vehicle you choose. Zipcar, however, requires an annual membership fee. This fee grants you access to their fleet, and you'll also need to be at least 21 years old, though some locations allow younger drivers if they are affiliated with a university. Pricing structures are another critical element to compare. Turo's pricing is largely set by the vehicle owners, meaning you may find a wide range of prices. This flexibility allows you to find options that suit your budget, but it's important to remember that costs can vary significantly depending on the type of vehicle and location. Zipcar, however, follows a more standardized pricing model. They charge by the hour or by the day, which includes gas and insurance, making it easier to predict costs upfront without unexpected fees. Let's also consider the range of vehicle options available. Turo's peer-to-peer model typically offers a more diverse selection, covering everything from economical compacts to luxury sedans and even specialty vehicles. Zipcar's fleet tends to focus more on everyday cars, aimed at providing practical and reliable options for short-term use. Don't forget to check out the rental policies on both platforms. Turo often relies on the owner's guidelines, which can affect aspects like mileage limits and pet policies. In contrast, Zipcar provides a more uniform policy structure, ensuring consistency across its vehicles. To better understand these platforms, it's useful to read through user reviews and frequently asked questions. Both sites offer sections dedicated to reviews and FAQs, providing insights from previous customers and offering clarity on common concerns. In closing, summarize the key differences. Turo's peer-to-peer approach provides a broader selection of vehicles and potentially varied pricing. Zipcar, with its fleet ownership, offers a more standardized and predictable service. By understanding these nuances, you'll be well equipped to choose the car sharing service that best fits your needs.